machines. The first time we're going to do it, so let's get stuck in. So we've got a machine, we've got the different diffusers here. So you've got this one and this one. We're going to go with the chrome one because we chose it for our sink, but this one's just as good. Of course, keep all of this because when you go traveling, you're going to have different taps around, so keep all of them, don't get rid of them. You'll need them when you take the machine with you. So first we're going to take off all the little red caps. There's one there, and there's a last one all the way around the back here. This one seems to be a little more difficult for me. There we go. Pop them away. Okie dokie. So now what you want to do is you want to take off the aerator from your tap. So you want to screw that. Super excited to drink this water. Take the aerator off. Not going to need that because it's replaced by this little beauty. It's not quite catching the thread, bear with me. Here we go, I think I've got him now. Okay, so just make that nice and tight. Okie dokie. Okay, I reckon we're good. Let's give that one a go. Okay, now we're getting a nice flow with no leaks. Beautiful. So now around the back there's this little silver nut. We'll take that off. Okay, you want to remember which way it goes round. Pop it on the tube here. Nice and loose so it's quite stiff. And then I'll have to move my hair a little bit closer. Now you want to put the tube on the end, just like this. Make sure it's all the way touching that bit of silver. Okay, I think we're in now. Let me slide the nut and then start to screw it on. Again, don't use tools. You'll over tighten it. Okay, that's not going to come out nice and tight. Okie dokie. So now our K8 is attached. We're just going to plug it in. So round the back here, where you pop in the plug, and we just pop that into the wall. There. This back up. Okay, so we've got both of our spouts there sticking in the sink, and we're ready to turn it on.
Powering on.
Yeah! So excited. Alright, we're ready to go. We've got the settings here, we've got the volume, let's turn that nice and high. You can also choose the language.
The language has been set to English.
So once you're used to the English and what it says, why not try some other languages and pick up some Japanese. Alright, everything ready to go. So that's the K8 setup, ready to rock, and now we're going to make sure the water's all good. Moment of truth.
Come get water, 8.5.
Come on. Yeah. So guys, just remember what you've just installed in your home. It's a medical device all the way from Japan. One person makes this the entire journey of its process. It's making the most incredible drinking water for you with these 8 platinum dipped titanium plates inside the machine. It's electrolyzing the water, making hydrogen rich drinking water that's antioxidant for your body. Enjoy.